That's right, Chad. I love the smell of can't lose trades in the morning.
Yep.
Prepare to be amazed. And we'll have some fun. Yeah, Jay, we'll have something on that a little bit later this week. We will definitely have something on that a little later this week. We have 6 minutes. Yeah, good. Thank you, Robert. We are sending an email out to everybody today for the boot camps with hotel information in them. They're all booked up, ready to go. You guys will get that. Everybody will get that this afternoon at some point for the in-person live boot camps. Let me see if we have a posting in the alert section for it.
If anyone's still short, I would buy one back here at 644. Lower your stops.
Well, the one rule is, Lulu, you don't have to be out of this. If you're already in trade prior to the open, you don't have to get out. You can stay in it until you get stopped out, as long as you're in profit.
And remember, the low of Friday was 636. Yeah, 644 covers the short. You go, not go long. Remember, no counter trend trades. We want you to cover one more of your short trade. 644. If it breaks that, we might have a DOW cucaracha. Remember, 636 was Friday's low. It broke it once. Buyers came in, pushed it up a little, but this time they may not buy it. And we might go straight down to 536. Ooh. 536 would be 100 lower than the low of Friday. So let's just see. 1 minute to launch or kickoff, depending upon what your fancy is.
Fancy launch kickoff.
6:44. Here we go. Order filled. 1 left. $6.36 was Friday's low.
All right.
Just sort of keep an eye on it.
$15.
We are open for business.
Tick started low. Again, those of you newer with us, unless you have permission from the coach, please do not trade in the first 6 minutes.
Yeah, it's better to watch and be amazed.
Yes, be amazed. If you have to trade, do it on sim. Make sure to schedule time with a coach. We will help get you going in the right direction. I am going to be a good boy this morning, unless I get stopped out of this. If I get stopped out of this short, I will not trade in the first 6 minutes, coach.
You got it.
I'll let you be the bad guy today.
Oh, no counter trend for me.
Oh, crap.
No. I told everybody you're an idiot. Not you, but I said anyone trading counter trend is an idiot. At least for until 3 o'clock. We made a ton of money later. That'll be different. But otherwise, let's behave ourselves, people.
Let the newbies and the institutions, let the newbies get crushed in the first 6 minutes, and the institutions battle it out.
Yep.
Plus, guys, I think last week, within a minute of the first 6 minutes, we had a good trade.
Yep.
Pretty much every day.
Waiting for the next sell signal. Everybody who's out of that last short you got, right? I assume.
Yeah, everybody should have been stopped out with profit. Power it out. Good job, guys. Good job.
Okay, we're getting a sell signal again. Right now I'm short at 724 on that sell signal, guys. Sell signal.
Got 2 left.
691 is my next target. Our 6-minute waiters are allowed to trade now. Well, 30 seconds.
30 whole seconds.
What's 30 seconds among friends? First target, guys, is going to be 15 points. So like 709 to 704. 709 to 704. First targets. And just be patient.
Be patient.
Low ticks will bring it down, and then you start covering into low ticks. High ticks, you short. High stochastics, you short. Low stochastics, you buy.
So,
Institutions are trying to push it up so their good buddies can get short at a nice, favorable rate and then take profits. This always happens in the first 15 minutes, guys. And we know about this, so we take advantage of it. Right? Who's ready to take advantage of the first 15-minute pushback?
I am.
Mm-hmm. And as everybody knows, the Fed is having their announcement on Wednesday. Wait for the hooks, guys. Don't try to guess the top. You could even wait for like an M formation on the 133 tick, or our favorite Sakasa indicator is not formed yet. It's overbought enough, but has to have some kind of reversal signal. Two out of three. This is it, Monica. Right there. See it? Here, I'll show it to you just quickly. Buy signal there. As a matter of fact, for counter trend traders, obviously, who are crazy, it gave a buy signal, gave sell signals, buy signals near the lows. That's what it does. Tries to show reversal signals.
What is the Sakasa indicator? I am crazy. I think we meant to say prepare to be underwhelmed this morning. Prepare to be slow. Those of you who are on trial with us, we are patient traders. We are patiently waiting for a good setup to go short. Don't forget, tomorrow at noon, we will be doing a orientation here in the main trade room. If you're busy at noon tomorrow and you're on trial, download the app. It's Pro Trade Room V3. Log in to the app and listen on your device through your headset to orientation. It'll be about 15 minutes.
Now, guys, if you look at the low so far of the morning, we're at 590, right? And then earlier when we opened, we were at 631, right? So 831 was a 200-point rally.
It's a short sell signal.
So we have a short right now on our beloved Stochastic signal.
Stochastic. Sounds cool.
Yeah.
Stochastic. Take some profits, guys.
My stop on this trade is 825. One off and trailing one.
Man, what a slow morning.
$825, hard stop.
Yeah, I took profit on one already.
Yeah, I did too, but I got the other one trailing. If I get stopped out, I lose 9 ticks.
Oh, no.
I'll lose 9 ticks on it. There's other trades, guys. Don't worry about my trade. Where's yours? Where's your entry? I'm telling you where my stop is. That's all I care about. 825 is the stop. So let's say I went in at 725, 625, 400. My stop is 825. Don't worry about my entry. Everybody wants to know what everybody else is doing. Just get out. If it goes up there, I'm flat. That's all I care about, right? Boom.
Small loss. Call it a day. Oh my goodness. We actually had a losing trade. Can you guys believe that?
What was your entry, Pra? What was your entry? See, nobody wants to tell their entries, so I don't tell mine. Secret. 794. All right.
812 was mine.
Yeah. So let it go up to the pivot and take the next trade. Right now, there's counter trend move, and you just want to wait. All right, good job. You out, Lulu?
That'd been a good entry.
Excellent.
Yeah, good. You should take profits quick.
When the trade doesn't work, you get out. And then you wait for the next one. Above the pivot, the trend turns up. All we do is observe the market. Whatever the market's doing, we follow. Daily pivot right now is 857, people. 857. Right now, trend is up. 15 is up. We're above the daily pivot.
And just like that, I am going to go long.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just kidding. I'm going to wait for a long signal, and then I will go long. If it bounces off this pivot, I'll probably go long. There we go. And I have two left.
There's a way to change the pivot. Well, you can change it to anything you want, but why?
The pivot's the pivot.
Why do you want to change something that it's like we could change the time instead of not 5 minutes to 9, we could say it's 11:30. No, seriously, why? In other words, if it's something that everybody follows, why do we want to be different? Is there a reason?
Drew, he's probably talking about the calculation, whether it's calculated intraday or on daily close. I think that's probably what he's saying is his pivots off. Yeah, it's the way you calculate it. It needs to be on bar close, Drew.
Oh, I thought I calculated 857. I'm sorry.
No, 857 is it. The actual, what I'm saying, coach, is his actual indicator is off. So he has a calculation. The settings, there's just a setting. You need to right click on properties, go to the setting. This is a good little short call anyway, by the way, guys. Yeah, you gotta go to the settings and change it to calculate on bar close. Drew, hopefully you heard me. Time zone does matter.
I'm calling a short trade right now, guys. Stop right over the high. Anything above 850 is a short.
I was already in it due to the Sakasa indicator. And there's a trading dog. She said go short.
Is everybody short now? All right.
Good job, guys. Nice little scalp. You guys still short? You may have anything left.
Yeah, coach, I finally got my 852 limit. I had an 852 limit to short. Got it filled just now.
I have one left.
First target, 842.
That is counter trend, coach. I guess technically it's not now.
It's actually a trend trade, guys. If you think
It
about
is a
it,
trend
we're
trade.
below
Sorry.
the pivot,
We
and
are
the 15 is up, and the 60 is still down. Yeah, I
Newer
would never
traders.
trade counter trend.
Newer traders, beware of the pivot.
Next target, 822, guys. 822. I'll have 3 left. I have 4 right now.
Going here in a little bit, take Bentley to the vet to see if we get the stitches out.
All right.
See how well the wound's doing. So everything's looking pretty good.
There's 30 points.
Oh,
3 on, 3 left. Everybody getting it?
yeah. I wish I had more than one contract, but yeah. Nice job, Fish. Good job, Robert, Luis.
Good job, everybody.
It still kills me how we can have a couple hundred people here and 5 people take the trade.
Yeah.
Nobody participates. They're just counting their money in the background.
812 is next. 812. Die, you dirty cucaracha.
Good job, Lulu. Good job, Joy.
Yeah.
Good job, Chanel. Everybody's getting in. Let's do it. You guys are making it die for us, making it go down. Yeah. Oh, yeah. All of y'all beat me. I got 1 left.
1 left now. I took 2 off. Okay, let's lower our stop, people. Lower your stops. Anybody have more than 1 left?
Nope. Yep.
2.
Good job.
All right, Robert.
Make this a winner.
$752 would give us a 100-point runner and our first song of the week.
Hey. Said many runners. May the runners be with you.
Where's your stop, guys? Lower that stop. You don't want to lose.
Mom. Tim's the mom.
Momentum. Mom momentum.
Everybody congratulate Tim on being the member of the month. This is the first month we're doing it. Tim has exemplified perfect trading, trade logging, if you will, analyzing his trades, tracking his trades, great self-analysis, filled his trade log out on every single trade, has something like an 85% win rate in his cash trades this past month, only up like 3,600 ticks in 3 weeks. So he deserves member of the month. And what he won for that is he gets to attend whatever boot camp he wants to in person live at no charge to him. All he's got to do is get his butt there and find a place to stay. Great job, Tim. Yeah, that is how you guys' trade log should look like. Remember, keep in mind, guys, those of you in pro, elite, or your mentorships, anybody in those levels on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, office hours are designed this week to do identify support and resistance lines, areas of interest on higher time frame charts, moving down to lower time frames. We will be working on that this week in office hours, plus any other questions that you guys have. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday should be pretty darn exciting. Don't forget, guys, last week was the implementation of the new calendar. Wednesdays are for elite and mentorship people only. For class, afternoon class and evening class. Don't forget that class, guys. Elite memberships Wednesdays. Advanced topics will be covered both afternoon and evening class on Wednesday. Just filling time here while we're counting our pennies this morning.
Trend is back up now, guys. Let's just be careful. Do we want to buy a first touch rule pullback? Everybody's green this morning so far, correct? Hopefully.
Nice fish. Good job, guys. Great job, everyone. Yeah, I need everybody to be green. I got to step out of here at right like 10:30, so no red before 10:30. You guys go crazy after I leave. Put it on Coach's hands.
Yeah, I'll be leaving for about a little over an hour. I got to get this pre-op.
When is that?
This MRSA swab, whatever that is. I think they swab your mouth out. They wash your mouth out with soap.
When do you go to that this morning?
It says 24 hours before the surgery. So like I don't know. When are you leaving?
10:30. Be back around 1-ish.
Maybe I should leave now. And then when I come back, you'll be able to leave.
Yeah, that
all right. Let me get going then, guys.
Yeah, all right, guys. Woo, let's go crazy. Coach is leaving.
I got to get swabbed.
Green. Good job, Luis.
All right, guys. Be back in a little bit.
Great job, Luis. Keeping our green. I did go short there on the pivot, below the pivot, guys. So just light short here. Taking some profits. Anybody take a little pivot bounce short?
Nice call, Coach.
Anybody do that?
This might be a nice end break too, guys, on the coach's call. That was a good double top. So I can't tell you, I got to leave, but it looks like a good trade. Follow it. Get more green, guys. Get more green. See ya.
See ya. Thank you, Coach. See you back in a bit. You did it, Chanel? Good job. I got filled at 852. So I've got one left. I'm just going to lock in a couple ticks profit here. Probably get stopped out. Oop. Again, guys, newer traders, please be aware of the pivot. This is when it starts to chop around the pivot. That's a clear sign a lot of times that you just want to sit back and let it really pick a direction before that. If you notice, we are becoming a little range bound here, just a little bit. Got a little resistance up around the 31,000 level. Definitely getting a little range bound. Beware the pivot. I am going to wait. If it breaks as high, I'll do a little buy. There we go. I'll do a little buy stop. Catch 10 ticks. Leave it alone for a little while. Yeah, you know what, guys? I'm going to sit around and do nothing for a minute. Let this range figure itself out. I don't want to get chewed up here to pivot. And it can do it. That is a great way to stay on the chop. No, Lulu, I wouldn't say range per se. What I would say is you just don't want to find yourself in a position where you're where the price action around the pivot continues to go up and down below it. I don't know if I've actually really identified a range that makes sense there. A lot of people do say 20, 25 ticks, but I just try to see what's happening with the price action around it and judge it based on that, if that makes sense, Lulu. I wouldn't set a hard, fast rule on that, is what I'm saying. Does that make sense? Yeah, that's a tough one. You just don't want to put yourself in a position that you're I'm long now. Guys, see, I took this little flag here and waited for it to consolidate. Took that long. Right at 892. So I'm looking for 31,000. Anybody long? You did too. Good job, Young Fab. Way to go. That's what, guys, if you think back to a few minutes ago, that's exactly what I said. I'm waiting for the range to break for that high, that previous high that was made around 953, 954. Those two railroad track candles. After that little flag started to happen, I just put a buy stop in. I told you guys I was going to do it. Young Fag followed. Good job. Good job, Mike Pewitt. Did you guys hear me talk about that? Talk through it. That's what I was trying to talk you through. Let it pick direction. The flag's an easy entry for me. There we go, guys. Easy entry on the flag just because you didn't have to take a lot of risk in it. Just broke the high, the previous swing point high. We were obviously, trend has switched to up. So now we're trailing. How many contracts do you guys have left? I'll put one on the parabolic. One? All right. We're going to have a 100-point runner as soon as coach walks out. That's funny. All right. If you got one contract left, you should be flat now if you have one contract left. I have one sitting, one still sitting, just 2 ticks and a profit. It's my last contract. 3 ticks, $8.99, 4 ticks. Sorry. Not gonna get it. Good trade, guys. Good job. Way to go. Now we're just going to wait for low stochastics and a hookup and go back in long. Could look for a first touch rule here. Good little trade, guys. Yeah, that's fine, guy. Just let's wait. Be patient. Take them. All right. I nibbled back long, low tick read. Just one, just testing the waters here. There we go. Usually there's not going to be too much time that goes by before we have a trade signal, guys. So just be patient. This could be an M break, but we said we are doing no counter trends today. So If you did do the in-break short counter trend, lock in profits. Anybody do the counter trend in-break short there? Anybody? Nobody? You guys being good boys and girls? Lock in profits if you did. Counter trend is bad. It's naughty. I wouldn't expect a lot between now and Wednesday, to be honest with you guys. Maybe a slow drift down. This is acting like an inside day anyway. Take more profits if you did take that, guys. Well, the thing about the first touch rule being so close to the pivot here is you want to be very careful of that, guys. First touch and pivot right next to each other. So what might you want to do? You may want to confirm that with some other points of confluence. So you may want to wait for a 16 tick rule entry if you're doing a first touch rule here, guys. If you are doing a first touch rule and you're long, squeeze your stop up. Make sure that you're locking in profits pretty quick. It's the best advice I can give you. I will wait to confirm my entry with something else, like now. Like the 16 range or 15 range, 16 tick rule. If that doesn't happen, I'm just going to sit here and wait. And keep in mind, guys, too, there's a push up this morning. It could just be a push up so the institutions can get their clients short. So be aware of that. Be aware that this move up could just be to get in short positions. And that was a confirmed Sakasa. Take some profits. You got one left. Did you guys get it? Good job, guys. Nice job. Good job, everybody. Monica, Guy, Bill, Hugo, Jay, Joy. Nice job, everyone. All right, I've got one left. Just riding. One left, 878. Can't lose on this trade. Anybody need stops? Good job, Fish. You guys still in? You got a contract left? What do you guys got? Good job. I need stops. The power exit points now, Joy. We are in profit. Okay, let's move it to 890 now. Hold on to it there for a minute. If you have one left, 890 is your stop. and you'll be flat. I call 890. I'll leave my last one 890. I don't want to do it, but also I have a hard, fast rule of not moving my stops back. So it takes us out. It takes us out. I'm not going to move mine back, but guys, if you have two left, I would leave one just eked into profit and the other one trailing. All right, let's move now to, let's go a couple more ticks up. Let's get to 896. How many do you guys have left? Tell me. Don't be a Tim. One? Anybody have more than one left? All right, 896. Then let's squeeze you guys up a little bit. We are getting a little overbought. So let's get you guys up to 901. 901. All right, everybody's got a chant. This has got to be our runner. Let's go. I got in at 871. What did you guys get in at? Let's make this a runner. Rise, you wild weasel. All right, Monica, have a great day. Let's push it up a little bit, guys. Stops at 909. 909. Guaranteed profits. Can't lose on this trade now. Sit back, relax. Let it marinate into a fine. Be careful. So we want to watch for this resistance area, this little swing point to back to the left. So we're going to watch for that. Right now, if it starts to see some resistance and you guys are a little scared, scoot it up a little bit more, eke your stuff into profits a little bit more. We can use 921 now. 924. If you have one left, use that 924 as your stop. We're going to have a sell signal against us. So you can squeeze it up a little bit further. Let this get 930 for those of you with one contract. I want to make sure you lock in a little bit more profit. Those of you with two contracts, you can use 930 and leave one back at the mid Bollinger. Let's give it the chant. 872 is your entry. 872. Nice entry. A couple of ticks behind you. 874 for me. So good job. Nice, young Fab. So you need 972. All right. Some of you are flat. Didn't fill the 930. Did you guys get filled at 930? I didn't. Good job, Fish. Good job, guys. That's profitable. I did. For some reason, mine just didn't get filled at 930. You guys still in, other than Fish? It's awesome, man. I didn't get filled. Anybody else still in? Anybody? Trailing still. All right. Yeah, I don't know how I didn't get filled at 930. So those of you not filled at 930, let's go to 9. Let's leave it to 930. It seems like a good spot. It's going to get us now. It's going to get us now. I'll take 60 ticks. Isn't that right, Viv? Young Fab? Who was it? Young Fab? 60 ticks, right? Easy. 58 ticks. Trailing still. Mike Sox is in. Let's leave it at 930, guys. Just wait until it gets out of this little range. Leave it at 930. If it breaks to the high side, we'll trail it some more. If not, we'll be stopped out at 930. Plain and simple. Sit back, relax, and go get a cup of coffee. Good job, guys. All right. Come on, rise, you weasel. Get up. Break that range. Come on. Get above the high. Or stop us out. Still didn't get me. Oh. Cannot believe that. 2 times in a row. Okay, let's go 2 more ticks, guys. 932. Lock in a couple more ticks here. All right, now we can start moving it. Start moving that stop. Let's do it. 942 is your stop now. 942. Get 10 more ticks. 942. 43. 43 and leave it. Let it stop us out, or we get got me. Good job. All right, guys. Everybody flat now? Good job, Chanel. What was you guys? What did you guys get in at? Did you guys get around the same fill as let's see, who was it? Young Fab and I. We had a couple ticks off of each other. Plus 64. Nice job. Okay. That's all right, Tim. It's a good trade. $868 fish. What a fill. Nice. Oh, good job, Tim. All right. Well, all in all, we'll count that as one trade. Good job. Good job, guys. Way to go. Way to go. You guys makes me happy to see this. Is anybody listening to me, or am I just like you guys just talking amongst yourselves? Pay attention to me. I'm just kidding. All right, guys, be patient. Let's just wait. Let the market sell off a little bit. There's no point in rushing anymore. Again, like I said earlier, look for the hooks on the stochastics. Good, clean hooks on stochastics is what we're looking for this morning. So that's what you want. In any day that you're considering to look like a two-way trading day or range-bound day or inside day, something like that, you really, 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 really want to look for the clean, smooth moves on the stochastics. Almost like a wave, just a smooth wave down, smooth hook up. Those are usually going to give you the cleaner entries on a day like today. So that's what we're looking for. Be patient. Let stochastics come down. I don't like this sharp hook we have at the bottom right now. But if you're aggressive, you could take that as a buy signal. Like I said before, I don't like it. So, and we already had just a 67, between a 60 and 70 point winner. So I'm sitting on the sidelines for this, guys. I would suggest you do the same. If you are in long, take profits. Lock in some profits now. Did anybody go back in long there? Chad, that is against the trend. That is against the trend, my friend. Oh. So those of you long, I jumped in with you. Got one contract. Anybody get along here? God did with me. It was a good signal. I just said I wasn't going to take it because we had plenty of profit. So what did I do? Same thing I did last time. Waited for it to break the high again of this little flag and got long with God. Plain simple, easy trade to take. Didn't have to take a lot of risk on it. All right, guy, let's get your stop up to. You want my stops? You want the power exit? Good job, Hugo. Good job, Chanel. This thing's going higher, guys. Nice job, JW. At least you got profits. You guys want the stops, right? So let's go. I'm going to go with mine now at 973. 973 would have been some of you guys' original 100-point runner on that first one. 974 now. 980. We are in a little area of resistance here. So if you see a trade signal against you and you have one contract left, go ahead and squeeze your stop up a little bit more. I'm going to leave mine back here. Let it play with we have a 37 ATR. So ATR is a little higher, but not bad. 984 is the stop, guys. $84. See, that was a sell signal against us right there. So now you want to squeeze your stops up. 984 is a good stop, though. If we get stopped out, who cares? Good power exit point. It's probably going to get us. Ooh. All right, now move it to 986. Lock in that profit. 986. You guys still in? Am I just wasting my breath with the power exit points here? Anybody still in with me? 986 is your power exit point. All right. Good job, Drew. Probably get stopped out at 986, but that's okay. Good profits here. Easy trade. Good job, Ken. Yep. Now you just wait for the pullback, guys. If you're not in this trade, you're looking for a pullback with smooth stochastics hooking up. Nice, straight, smooth lines down and a smooth hookup to be safe. All right, Drew, Ken. We're going to move our stops in a second. Or we get stopped out. One or the other. All right, let's use 991. It's a little tight, but looks like we're hitting some consolidation here. 991. There we go. All right, popped up to 31,000. 31,000. You guys still in with me? 31,000. Heck, this is going to be a good trade. 45 more points. We'll get a cucaracha. 31,000. $31.02. $31.02. Power X point. Leave it there. Ken, Drew, you guys are still in with me, right? 10 is the stop now. 10 is the stop. You guys are still in, right? 10 is the stop. Let's do it. We'll get a runner here. 24 is the stop. 26, 27, 30. That's our runner. Let's do it. Don't get us. Should have left it at 20. There it is. It's like the third time it hadn't gotten me. It's perfect. Are you guys in at 30 still? Drew? All right. Attach it to the parabolic, Drew. Attach it to the parabolic and walk away. Ken, are you still in? I don't know how to get filled on that, but I'm still at 30. It's going to get me this time, though. Flat. Okay. I guess it's just me. You guys could look for a I'd be hesitant to do it now that we're getting to a resistance level. Anybody could have done any one of those little flag entries to back to the left there. Unless it's not in your game plan. If you haven't talked to a coach, I mean, guys, honestly, talk to a coach. If you're newer with us, we're gonna talk to you. We're gonna make sure that you're pointing in the right direction. Those of you on trial, try to follow along. Again, once you become a member, you get access to all of our basic methodology training videos, the works. Just trying to lock in 100 ticks here. That's all. It's like a little M. It's probably going to get us. And good job, guys. Good job. Now let's sit back, keep our green. Everybody should be good and green after those two long trades, right? All of you guys are green. Everybody green, right? Keep my promise to coach. Make sure everybody stays green. Chad, how much do we need to rehab you with, buddy? Let's get you rehab now. Rehab Chad time. How many ticks do you need, Chad? Is it too early in the day to do a tick boom trade? How about that? Get a couple of those under our belt while coach is going. No, you guys don't want to play along? Fine. Can you guys hear me? Do I need to refresh? Mr. AA, what's happening, buddy? Chad, I need you to tell me how many ticks you need. Chanel's for the tick tick boom. Let's try it. Let's give it a try. All right, guys, we're gonna look for a 0 tick read and low stochastics. Let the stochastics come down. Chad got mad and left. Jay. Chad, where are you? I want to make you some money. Try to at least get you on the right side of something. All right, we're only come down to like 40. Let's say 30. Let's get it down to 30. Look for a low tick read. Do this in sim, guys, if you've never done it. And when we get now, you can go long and probably get 5 ticks easy. Took it off 30, right? Squeeze your stop up really tight. Don't take a lot of risk in this. Boom. There you go. 5 ticks easy. 7 ticks. Close it out. Take your 5 or 7 ticks. Call it a win. There's your tick tick boom, guys. You guys get that? You guys get that? 5 ticks easy. Nope. Try it again. Okay. Try it one more time. Low tick read. Hook on stochastics. I'm getting a lot of questions about the Sakasa indicator, the 16 tick rule indicator coming out, guys. I don't know. We're gonna have more information probably by tomorrow or Wednesday at the latest. Should be out pretty soon. Just still dealing with some bugs, making sure that we have something workable for you guys. Let the stochastics get oversold now, and we will just be patient and wait. I think it's coffee time. What do you guys think? Coffee? Can we do some coffee? We earn coffee. Let's do a quick coffee break. All right. 10-minute coffee break. Let's take a 10-minute break. Look, if you're going to jump into a trade, guys, please follow what I said. The stochastics look ugly right now. Let them smoothen out. Get a nice little hook up before you jump in long. You could look for a first touch rule maybe now. Confirm it with something like 16 tick rule. I'm going to grab coffee, so don't be eager beavers. Keep your green this morning. What? Somebody blew their account out? Is this a 1030 reversal or is it just a pullback? Well, 1051. Anybody take the first touch rule? I did say you could take the first touch rule with hook on stochastics. If you did, take profits. Good job, guys. Good job, Spy. Good job, Joy. Take profits. Lock in profits. Good job, A. Good little scalp, guys. Good job. I am waiting for stochastics to be smoother. Very well could be 1030 reversal. At 11 o'clock. There is some support here at 950, at around the 950-ish area. I think we should be done for the morning, guys, honestly. Hey, guys, I think we should be done for the morning. Relax, keep our green. No need over trading. We've had two excellent trades in a row. Don't want to mess it up. Give back our profits.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Liberty Trading Club. Hope you enjoyed the live stream this morning. We're about to cut it, so before you leave, remember if you want to join Liberty Trading Club and have access to all our coaches and participate in chat and have the live trade calls, you got to visit libertytradingclub.com, sign up for a free 3-day trial. After that, it's only $99 a month to be a part of the trade room. You'll unlock access to our trade videos that teach you how to trade like us with our methodology. And please like, subscribe, and share.